Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Jenny. I am 35 years old. I am married. I am Muslim. I have 2 children. I have experience in Hong Kong for 3 years and 5 months.
Okay, why only 3 months and 3 years and 5 months?
Because my employer, the children go to another place to study.
How many members in your employer's house?
3 members.
Who are they? One couple and one child?
Yeah.
The child, how old?
9 years old.
Okay, 你做嗰時9歲係咪？
係。
使唔使帶佢返學啊？
係。
如果帶佢返學嗰陣時候，佢喺街周圍走咁點算啊？
Or you hold the hand.
Yes, right. Okay, you know marketing?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of food you can buy?
Fish, vegetable, and 豬肉。
你食唔食豬肉啊？
我識豬肉啊。
你信回教喎？
你得啦。
得。你點呢條魚新唔新鮮啊？
曬。
How do you know the fish is fresh?
See the eyes is. Is red.
Yes.
So the fish is fresh.
Okay. You know how to cook, right?
Yes, I know.
You can cook really, really delicious?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because I taste myself it's delicious, so I give to my employer. Employer say it's okay lah,
So you are so fat, right?
Yes.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you.
No, she just say, next time you cook must put a little bit or a little bit more
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly the employer call you to go out to buy something, what you will do?
No.
嗱，你煮緊飯嗰陣時候，太太佢同我出街買嘢，咁點啊？點做啊？
熄咩啊？嗰啲熄
火。
火。
係啦，如果咪火燭㗎啦，知唔知啊？你喺香港仲有冇放假？
有。
放星期幾啊？
一個
月幾多次啊？
一個月2次。
2次，放星期幾啊？放星期幾啊？
星期日。
放 every 2 Sunday 啊？
係啊。
新老闆唔放Sunday得唔得啊？得啊！你放3年半之後翻屋企做乜嘢？Why go home?
Because I want to stay at home first.
Okay, now enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Yes.
講啊，有冇嘢講啊？
Okay. Yeah. I want to say is thank you very much. You go you check more.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.